your right. Ayan, different perspective. Ano ko sa'yo, pumunta ka ba na ba dyan? Or dito ka pa rin? Okay. So, ikaw kasi nag-distinguish natin. Isa lang ang nag-has, more than one to that. Okay. Please, can we hear a response from the person who said it's hot? Okay, so may I hear one response from you? Different perspectives already. Parang galing na siya sa iba. You are just considering from the perspective of others. Okay, what's your response? Okay. I-line ko lang ito, relative skills sa 21st century skills. And we are inculcating what are the 21st century skills? C, communication. You consider communication when you consider different perspectives and integrate it to your own perspective. Communication. Another C, collaboration. Okay. Different perspective, how can you push it or integrate it as one? Another, 21st century skills. Critical thinking. Okay, critical thinking. Are you analyzing the different perspective before you say no, before you agree or disagree? So you're creating. And the last 21st century skill is information literacy. So, certain social media. Papanilaan ko ba ito? Perspective ito. Ito papanilaan ko. What other details should I do? So, therefore, number 6 is in higher order thinking skills. Tama si Sir Ron, evaluation. Alright, so, nag-guess na po natin. Pasada lang po yung has. But let's move on to the how the stems are created. So, this will be presented by Ma'am Loida. Sa options namin. Okay, so, dyan ko na tatapos. Palapakan po natin yung for their courage and participation. Thank you so much. My question po tayo, in integrating, or let's make it as a habit, like what I said, a habit in making or designing our instructional resources. Question? Wala? Okay, kung wala na po, I will turn over the microphone to our classmate. And, thank you so much, MJ, for giving us an overview of the past an example. Alright, so this time, we will have now the workshop. For that, Sir Chris will be showing to you the